Hi everybody, welcome to Appa's Kitchen on the Road. I'm here in Mexico City with two really old friends.
We're not old.
We're not old. Nancy and Yaari. And we're here in Bosque de Chapultepec, which is Chapultepec Forest. And we're going to meander. We're just going to explore a little bit of Mexico City and then have lunch. See you later. So here we are in Chapultepec Park. People are out jogging and cycling, and we're coming up on this thing here. Some kind of monument. And then we're going to head over to Paseo de la Reforma, which is closed on Sunday to traffic. So it's a nice place to walk. There's the Museum of Modern Art back there. No. It's a beautiful day here. It's December 15th. It's about 60 degrees right now. And it's going up to 70. Where are my lady friends? So we are on Paseo de la Reforma now, and there's all kinds of little stands set up here, like a Christmas market. They close the street off to traffic on Sunday, so people are healthy, doing jogging and riding bikes and all that. And we're just looking for food. So I'm looking for something good for us to sample. So here's the Angel of Independence on Paseo de la Reforma. And over here is Zona Rosa. And then we're going to go on the other side to Roma and explore. Maybe we'll find some good food. So we're in Roma now. There's a little organ grinder. And we stopped at this little cafe, which I can't see the name. No tengo nada. What's the name of our cafe? Clement Helados. Oh, it's an ice cream shop. Anyway, they have really nice breakfasts and coffees and all kinds of things. So I got a little empanada here. I got a little empanada with bacalao, codfish. It's really nice. Flaky. Lemonade with ginger. And the girls got lassi. Oh, the ladies. Sorry, the ladies.
The senoritas.
The doñas. It's a nice little corner spot that we found. It's very pleasant, right? Are the ladies happy?
The ladies are happy.
So we're here in Condesa now, which is one of the cute little neighborhoods. And there's this beautiful fountain. I don't know what that is. Some lady on a chariot. And there's a circle here with all these restaurants and bars. And we're gonna go down one of these streets, I think this one, to like Parque Mexico, Parque Mexico. And we're just kind of wandering around. My lady friends are very impressed with Mexico City. They said it's not what they expected. very lush. Beautiful temperature. Perfect time of year to visit. So we just wandered into this little bazaar. And there's all these food stalls here. Tacos, chorizo. This is Saturday and Sunday, so maybe it's only on the weekend. This is Argentine beef, parrilla, chimichurri.
Striving and bugging and running.
So we just came out of this little market, and it's right by the lady in the chariot. I have no idea like what anything is called here. We're in Condesa, and we're just meandering. So let me ask the ladies. So tell my viewer, my one viewer, what's your impression of Mexico City so far?
It's lovely. The food looks delicious. The people are friendly. It's clean. It's much more peaceful. Much more peaceful than I imagined. There aren't a lot of stray dogs like I expected.
She was hoping there would be some stray dogs because she was gonna bring them all home.
All of them. It's very beautiful so far.
Okay, there you have it. You know, here at Appa's Kitchen, we like to get the people on the street to contribute to our videos, to give you the full experience. All right, onward. Well, I don't know if we're gonna actually eat lunch now. Change of plans. So we're in the supermarket. Nancy's buying some papaya and lemon, lime. And I think we're just gonna go take a siesta. It's a really nice supermarket that we found. Very nice produce section, really nice seafood section. Hi, I'm back. So I took a nap, took another shower, I shaved, and look, I put on a shirt. It's a special occasion. I'm here with my lady friends. We're all wearing our Sunday finest. We found a restaurant on the way back to our Airbnb. And we thought it was the restaurant that the Airbnb host recommended, but we were wrong. Anyway, it looks really interesting. So we're going there for dinner. For those of you who don't know, dinner is a late lunch, early dinner. It's a new thing here in Mexico City, dinner.
Starting right now?
We're making it a thing. So this is called the Cantina bar El Bosque. El Bosque is the forest because the Bosque of Chapultepec is right here. And it looks really cool. It's an old style cantina, like a traditional old Mexican restaurant. And I'm excited about the food. And we're celebrating our birthdays. Happy November birthdays to us.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
All right, so we're here inside of the cantina.
The music is quite atmospheric.
The music is quite atmospheric. It's a kind of traditional bar. So cantinas traditionally were men only spaces. So you're very lucky that you're allowed inside. And they kind of hold, let me turn this around. They kind of hold this nostalgic place for Mexicans. This kind of restaurant, it's old style. A simpler time. Gracias. All right, so let's see what kind of food they have.
Last month.
All right, so we're starting with a special cocktail. Mezcalita with tamarind. So it's mezcal with tamarind and a little, I forget what that stuff is called.
Salt.
Chili salt. Has a name. And we just ordered a bunch of food.
No, instead of hibiscus, we had tamarind. What else did he say was in here?
So here we're getting a Caesar salad, made table side, anchovies,
Real Caesar salad. I'm excited. I didn't know Caesar salad was made in Mexico.
Caesar salad is Mexican, it's not Italian. People usually think it's an Italian thing. So our fantastic waiter is still making the Caesar salad. It's quite a process, and I wish I had filmed the whole thing, especially when he cracked the egg and separated the white from the yolk. He got a little applause for it. Looks really delicious. Beautiful.
Would you like the one with the most sauce?
Gracias.
Buen apetito.
Thank you. Gracias. Would you like the one?
So next we have maritiera, which is meat and seafood, shrimp. Not sure what kind of meat, maybe beef. Comes with crackers, bread, and tortillas.
Cute.
And I guess we just use our same plates. So I just tasted a little bit of this maritiera, and it's cold, so it's like a ceviche. It's really good.
Oh, it's cold. It's quite spicy. At least the one I had. I got a big chili box.
And then we also got some grilled vegetables with goat cheese. Grilled vegetables with goat cheese. I think this is a potato.
An eggplant. Zucchini. Zucchini? I think so.
Eggplant.
Eggplant, zucchini, potato. Carrot.
I don't know what that is.
I think that's zucchini.
Zucchini?
I think so.
It's good.
It's so good.
Here's our saltfish. And he's gonna bust it open. So here we have our salt fish and some sort of potatoes. Mmm,
So tasty.
delicious.
So good. Wow. I wonder what kind of fish it is. I wonder what type of fish. Mexican white fish. Wow.
It's really good. It's
That's good. Is it potato? Yeah.
you can taste the salt. It's really moist,
Yeah.
perfectly cooked. I approve.